Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method format. In Python, the format method returns a formatted version of the specified string using substitutions from args and keyword arguments. The substitutions are identified by braces, and the syntax here for the method is the string underscore object followed by dot format and then args and keyword arguments. So for the string method format, there needs to be at least one or more parameter values that should be formatted and inserted into the specified string. And the string that we'll work with here is for the variable Python underscore packages. There are more than, with this placeholder name, number of packages, Python packages in the world. So we'll return this as output, and this initially has the placeholder value using the index name. So we'll use this name to replace it with the value that we want with format. So dot format number of packages equals to 200,000. And so this will return a string here where the placeholder there, number of packages, is replaced with 200,000. So the original string is now there are more than 200,000 Python packages in the world. So this returns the original string with number of packages replaced with the value 200,000. And we can also use here for replacement using numbered indices, not just index names. So we'll create a variable called programming underscore languages underscore fact, which equals to there is approximately, and then our initial placeholder is 0, computer programming languages, and then a second placeholder here with the index of 1, which are the most popular and in use today. And then we'll replace both placeholder 0 and 1 with specified value using the format method. So programming underscore languages underscore fat dot format with 9,000 and then 50. And this returns a string. There's approximately 9,000 computer programming languages, 50 which are the most popular and in use today. So it replaces in the order that was specified here for the format method. So replace each index with the value in the order specified. Now, if there is a mismatch in the number of values specified, so if, for example, if there is too few values when there's two placeholders, then this will return an error. So if for programming underscore languages underscore fact, we only pass in one value, so 9,000, this will actually return an error, index error, tuple index out of range. So this is due to too few values. However, if there is too many values, this will actually ignore all the values after the final placeholder has been filled. So in this case, anything beyond the second value will just be ignored. So programming languages fact.format 9,000, 50, and then we pass an extra value 3. This still returns a string, but then the third value here, 3, is not used for this particular string. So this returns the string with the placeholders replaced and the extra value ignored. And then the last option to fill the values is using empty brackets. So we'll create a variable here called Python underscore pack, which has the string value. There are more than in our first two placeholders, which will be the 200,000 followed by Python, and then packages in the last placeholder here should be the word world. So this is the empty brackets can be used rather than named or numbered index. And we can now print, so Python underscore pack dot format with the value in the order that we want. So starting with 200,000 and then the string Python followed by the string world. And so this returns our original string. So there are more than 200,000 Python packages in the world. So this is inserted in the order specified for the method. So this is how to use the format method in Python to actually replace values in a string using different placeholders. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.